It's a video tutorial about how to merge background images with WEBO Site SpeedUp for Joomla. First of all, let's go to our test website and see why we need to merge background images. We are opening YSlow Components tab, and we see here 30 CSS images. Yes, it's not very great number, but it's a lot of. And overall size of all CSS images is about 50 kilobytes. Okay, let's go to WEBO Site SpeedUp and to our active configuration and see what we can do here. We are going into options to data URI tab and just check two options. mhtml option is required for browsers Internet Explorer 7 and less to display all merged images in base 64 encoding correctly. So we're just applying configuration and refreshing cache. WEBO Site SpeedUp is creating now one CSS file with all background images inside it, and it will increase our website load speed. Okay, we are going to our website, reloading it, and since there are no changes, this is great. We are opening YSlow Components, and we see here only one CSS image. It seems it is a dynamic one, and we open source code, and we see here. Yes, we see here it's a dynamic image inserted with inline style attribute. So WEBO Site SpeedUp doesn't pass such images, and it's okay with this case. But we have only one CSS file, but its size is about 65 kilobytes. It is great, and we need to somehow fix this. Let's go to WEBO Site SpeedUp and see what we can do here. Generally, there are two options to separate CSS images from CSS rows. One and second. With these options, WEBO Site SpeedUp will separate all. We are refreshing cache after applying these options. WEBO Site SpeedUp will separate all CSS code to rules and to images. And first, website will be loaded only with rules, without images, and as soon as it will be displayed in browser, the second CSS file with images will be loaded. So if we are loading our website right now, we see, yes, first browser displays website without background images, just with CSS rules, and only after this moment all background images are shown. It's okay with website load speed, but there are several artifacts. You can see here excessive background under several elements. This is because of two CSS files, and we are using developer toolbar for Firefox, and yes, as you can see here, one CSS file with general rules, and the second one with background images. CSS rules in the second one are overwriting rules from the first one, so we need to overwrite these rules again. So let's just use appropriate option in WEBO Site SpeedUp configuration. It is located on Combine CSS tab, and just include code to all files. We need to hardly rewrite background for these elements and set it to known with important rule so it won't be overwritten with any CSS rules further in CSS code. So we have one CSS selector here. Then we need to add selector from this block. It seems it is this group. Then we are adding the CSS selector from this group, and we need 2 more groups to fix our website completely. We just go into the home page, and there are pages, and here, as you can see, we have rules for URI selector and a more complicated one, which is overwritten initial CSS rules, but they are written again by the second CSS file. So we just overwritten them once more to get our website be displayed correctly. So one more CSS rule and CSS rule from this block. It seems yes, something like this. Okay, we apply configuration, go into refresh cache, and it seems now all should be okay with our website design and our website loading speed. Okay, reloading our website. Yes, no artifacts. No artifacts here, no artifacts here, no bugs here, and we're checking left menu, and no bugs in left menu. Okay, so we have right now we have slow grid 93, and that's very good for our slow website, slow Joomla website. So you can use this option in your WEBO Site SpeedUp configuration to overwrite any CSS rules over maybe merged incorrectly, and to get your website design be shown right before WEBO Site SpeedUp was installed. So it's just a generic option to fix some maybe bugs of styles merging or other artifacts of internal WEBO Site SpeedUp logic.